Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Today I wanted to show you guys how to apply water slides. Water slides is a type of decal that you place in water. I just buy my paper off of eBay and print on it. So I printed the name that's going to go on here. So what you do is you place it in water for a few seconds. Now it'll curl up, that's okay if it does. I'm not going to let mine because I don't have a whole lot of water. So I'm just going to kind of push it down. So you just let it sit for about 30 seconds or so until it starts coming loose. So you just keep trying it to see if it when it comes loose. It's got a little bit more. You can get your cup wet just a little bit where you're going to have the decal. Okay, see how it slides around on there? So I like to do that. I like to slide it slightly off, like so. And then I kind of grip where it's already slid off and gently pull my paper from behind it. Now, as long as it's wet and your cup's slightly wet, you can kind of move it around and adjust it as needed to get it where you want it. And then once you have it where you want it, you can take a squeegee. I take a silicone makeup brush and I squeegee out any water. Just like that. Squeegee out all this extra water. Just a second, I'm going to lay that there. So I do like to take a paper towel and dab any loose water off of the cup. And then just keep squeegeeing until there's no bubbles or anything. Like you can see if there's any water underneath, it'll have like a little bubbly looking spot. And you just keep doing that until you got it where you want it, and it is good to go. So that's how I do water slides. I'll see you guys next time.